Can you bring mommy the corn? Or, I'm sorry, the car? Bring mommy the car. What is that? What is it? What is this? Keys. That's right. Now, can you bring me the car? Yeah, good girl. Right, good, good. He's like, I can't bring you the car, mommy, because here's the sweater. You brought mommy this sweater. Good job. Good job. What is that? Keys. What is this? What is this? What is it? That's keys. What is this? What is it? What is it? No, you've got the keys in your hand. What is this? What is this? What? Ah! What are you eating off the floor? Is that puffs? Okay. Silly girl. Rachel, you blow mommy a kiss? You blow mommy kisses? Can you do it without the flashcard in your hand? Can you blow grandma kisses? Pooh Bear. That's not a baby, that's a kitty. Teddy bear. Bye bye, Rachel.